So hi everyone, I'm Nancy, first student of 8 BTech AIDS, and my register number is URK25AI1109, and today I'm going to explain the 7C practicum which I did, which talks about the employee record system using arrays and strings. So this is the code which I've done. Now let's get into the program. The first line includes the standard input-output header file, which lets us use functions like printf and scanf. Then it is the main function. It is the beginning of the program where the execution begins. Next, I declared integer variables n to store number of employees, I for the loop counter, and an integer array, that is id, to store employees id. Next, I declared a 2D character array for name to store up to 50 employees name, each with a maximum of 30 characters. Next, I declared a float array, that is for salary, to store employee salary and other float variables like total, AVG, MX and MIN. AVG for the average salary and max for the highest salary, minimum for the lowest salary. Next, the program asks the user to enter how many employees are there using printf. I used scanf to take the number and store it in a variable called n. Then the for loop starts. It runs from I is equals to 0 to I is less than n. So it repeats for each employee. Inside the loop, the program asks the user to enter the employee's ID. The enter ID is read and stored in ID 1. ID I, not 1, ID I. Then the program asks for the employee's name. Using scanf, I stored the name into the array name I. Next, the program asks for employee salary. The salary is stored in salary I. Each time a salary is entered, it's added to the variable total to calculate the total sum of all salaries. After collecting all data, I initialized both max and min with the first salary value to start computing. I run another for loop from I is equals to 1 to n minus 1 to find the largest, that is highest, and smallest, which is the lowest salary values. If the current salary is greater than max, it updates the max variable. Similarly, if the current salary is smaller than min, it updates the min variable. I calculated the average salary by dividing the total salary by the number of employees. Now, I printed all the employees' detail using printf. Another for loop is used to display each employee's ID, name and salary. Then I display the total salary, average salary, highest salary and lowest salary using printf. Finally, I use the return statement to end the program, indicating it executed successfully. Thank you.